So my phone is mounted in my phone holder in the car. So I'm showing you guys how my driving look like in the road. Ganyan po siya. We have a blizzard. It's like almost the entire Canada. Parang ang British Columbia lang yata ang na-spare for this weather because they're on the east coast. East coast yata. East coast pa tawag nun? West. So they are the I'm not sure the other side. So yeah, they are the that place in British Columbia barely gets snow. But lately, I don't know, because of weather's weird now, they get some snowy season, I mean weather sometimes. But yeah, this is how my driving, my road look like. So if you're not if you're not good with memorizing the road, I mean, I always go use the road like every time I go to work. So if you're not well versed of the road, guys, malaglag kayo. Simbak ko sa mga gilid-gilid because it's some parts it's actually covered with snow. This one, it's because this is kind of like a the main road, but it's not highway. So pinaplow na siya. It's been plowed for because I've seen over there like the marks of a plow. So it's been plowed, plus dinadaanan ng mga cars. So pretty much nakiklear yung way, but for mga back alleys like mga residentials, before I left work, I have to shovel my way because high na siya, mga isang dangkal of snow na. So mabawas-bawasan man lang kasi it's still piling up because you see it's still snowing. So it's now 9:50 in the evening. My work is at 10 o'clock, so mga 5 minutes I reach work. So na-late lang tayo ng konti because I had to clear my way para makalabas ako sa garage namin. But yeah, so we get this kind of weather once in a while. Although we get so much snow, but it's not like this blizzard. So yeah. Anyways, okay. So yeah, sana hindi ako malate because we're driving really slow. Supposed to be 60 km/h, but I've been driving 40 because I can't, I'm following someone who's also driving like 40 km/h. So yan, mahangin siya, medyo napapalit tayo ng konti. Yeah, so okay, I'm driving now 50 km/h. Like maximum in this street is 60 km/h, but I'm driving 50 km/h, actually almost 50. I'm turning left going to Sherwood Park Freeway, heading west to my work. So I'm merging to a road that's 100 km/h. So pag nagta-turn tayo, guys, it's slippery kasi nga powdery na yung snow. We have to be very careful in, see, sumayaw tayo. We have to be very careful in turning. So I had to slow down like 30. Yeah. And I am now merging the 100 km/h road. So God bless me. I don't have to really max out 100 km/h kasi the road is really slippery. So I'm driving now heading 80. My speed now is 80. My gosh, it's actually slippery, guys. Very slippery. that no, it's a sign that, hey, don't follow me. I'm not comfortable driving these roads. It's like something like that. Anything could be a message for that one. So anything, it could be like, you know, his car has a trouble, or you know, anything. But looks like because I know. So now I'm turning. Okay, I'm close by my work now, guys. May homeless pa sa tabi ng kalsada, oh, in my left, but you won't see it, guys. So I am pulling up my parking lot of my work. Ay, naku, dumikit na po yung aking wiper. It won't wipe anymore. Can you imagine that? Yeah, my wiper is stuck. Tagot ako nito mamaya. So I'm gonna find a way that I can park where I can probably I can reach my ano ba yan? I'm backing up. I can reach in warming up my car. So dito na lang pagpapark. I have 4 minutes left. So I'm gonna make sure that from inside my work I can start my car later. Okay, this is it. So now I'm here now, guys. Thank you so much for watching.